Hey everyone, this is Mind You Now, and today we're going to be going over the snipping tool, how to locate it, how to use it, and how to go ahead and send that over to someone. So for anyone with Windows, I'm not sure what platform the operating system for MacBooks use, but for Windows, there's a pre-installed software known as the snipping tool, which is almost like a screenshot for your computer. So to find that, you would click Start, and you'll go ahead and type snipping, and you'll see snipping tool populate. It's going to open up right over here like a little box right here. And what we always do, so I opened up an article, and for example, if your professor asked you a certain question and wanted to know what you were referencing to in the article, or if you have a classmate that you wanted to share the information with but didn't want to focus in on the whole entire thing. So we're going to go ahead and snip the part that we want to send them, almost like a computer screenshot, without getting everything on your computer screen or all the things that you don't want in there. So we're going to go ahead and click New Snip. And now it's going to fade out everything else. This little cursor, you're going to hover over the part that you want to snip. And you're going to see me create a little box to just take the section that I want. So I want to include Table 1 up to Group Socialization Theory, which stops right here at Collective Efficacy Theory. So we're going to go ahead and drag. You click it and you drag over. So I want to take this whole box section to send this screenshot over to my classmate. So this is what gets populated. With this, I opened up Microsoft Word in case you wanted to copy it over, because you do have the option to copy it over. Like if you click Edit, Copy, then if you click on the document, if you wanted to send it as a document, right click, paste. Here it is. Here's your table that you wanted. You can also use this to make embedments in different projects and different assignments. But to send this over, it does also have like a way that you can send it directly through Snippet. I don't really use that because I always try to save a copy of what I snip. So when you click Save Snip, then it's going to populate your different options for saving, and you can save it however you'd like it to save. And when you go to your email, you'd be able to upload and have that sent to wherever you want to send, like a regular. It saves as a JPEG, but you can also edit the format of how you want it to save. So the snipping tool can be used basically like computer screenshotting. Just like phones have screenshots, the snipping tool is used basically to screenshot different things. You can also have it bookmarked or saved to like your desktop bar. What you can do, right click that, and then you can, mine says unpinned because I already have it pinned as a quick accessible tool. So it would say pin to taskbar. So when you pin that, you have the option of always having that accessible if you do screenshots a lot, as opposed to having to, because you can also click print screen on your keyboard, but when you click print screen, it takes a picture of your entire screen. And when you go to crop that, oftentimes it takes the cropping modifies the image quality and it's really hard to see. Like this picture is very clear cut. You can see everything clearly from there. You can also screenshot different things as well. So if I wanted to screenshot the tools page, I just open the snipping tool again, create new, and then I want to show you what section of the PDF that I want you to see how to locate the tools and what the tool options are. So see, it just created another picture. And even if we were to copy this picture, if I go ahead and delete this one, paste my new picture, this is how it's going to be nice and clear. There's no fuzziness. There's no, no image quality mistakes that we have to look over. This is very clear cut and very professional to use. It's used a lot in different professional settings, so it's always a good tool to know and to have. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if there's another video that you'd like to see or anything else that you would like me to cover.